Good morning everyone. Today topic is mobile application development. First of all, what is Android development? The Android operating system is the largest installed base among various mobile platforms across the globe. Hundreds of millions of mobile devices are powered by Android in more than 190 countries of the world. It conquered around 75% of the global market share by the end of 2020 and this trend is growing bigger every other day. The company name Open Handset Alliance developed Android for the first time, that is based on the modified version of the Linux kernel and the open source software. Google supports the project at initial stage, and in the year 2005 it acquired the whole company. In September 2008, the first Android powered device launched in the market. Next is introduction. Android dominates the mobile OS industry because of the long list of features it provides. It's user friendly, has huge community supports, provides a greater extent of customization, and a large number of companies build Android compatible smartphones. As a result, the market observed a sharp increase in the demand for developing Android mobile applications, and with that, companies need smart developers with the right skills. Set at first, the purpose of Android was thought of as a mobile operating system. However, with the advancement of code libraries and its popularity among developer of the domain, Android becomes an absolute set of software for all devices like tablets, wearables, set-top box, smart TVs, notebooks, etc. Example, major devices that runs on Android operating system. For example, smartphones, tablets, smartwatches and smart TVs. Features of Android. Android is a powerful open source operating system. That open source provides immense features, and some of these are listed below. First of all, connectivity: GSM, CDMA, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, media sports, AVI, MKB, MPG, etc. Augmented and virtual reality sports, location tracking using GPS, open source. Features of Android. Android open source project, so we can customize the OS based on our requirement. OS means operating system. Android supports different types of connectivity for GSM, CDMA, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. for telephonic conversation or data transfer. Third point is using Wi-Fi technology. We can pair with other devices while playing games or using other applications. Next is it contains multiple API to support location tracking services such as GPS. Next is we can manage all data storage related activities by using the file manager. Next is it contains a wide range of media sports like AVI, MKB, FLV, MPG4, etc. to play or record a variety of audio, video. Features of Android. It also supports different image format like JPG, PNG, GIF, BMP, MP3 and etc. It supports multimedia hardware control to perform playback or recording using a camera and microphones. Next is Android has an integrated open source WebKit layout based web browser to support user interface like HTML5 and CSS3. Next is Android supports multitasking means we can run multiple applications at a time and can switch in between them. Next is it provides support for virtual reality or 2D and 3D graphics. Android version. Google launched the first version of the Android platform on November 5, 2007. Since then, Google released a lot of Android versions such as Apple Pie, Banana, Bread, Cupcake, Donuts, etc. with extra functionalities and few features. For example, Android 1.0 September 2008, Android 1.1 February 2009, Cupcake April 2009 and Donut September 2009, Eclair October 2009. This is example of Android version. Examples: Apple Pie Android 1.0 version, PI Level 1 September 23, 2008, release date is September 23, 2008. Banana Bread Android 1.1, API Level 2, release February 9, 2009. Cupcake Android 1.5, PI Level 3 and April 30, 2009 release date. Donut Android 1.6, API Level 4, September 15, 2009 is released. These are the example of Android version and level and release date of Android version. Next is programming language used in developing Android application. First is Java, second is Kotlin. Developing the Android application using Kotlin is preferred by Google as Kotlin is made an official language for Android development, which is developed and maintained by JetBrains. Previously, before the Java is considered the official language for Android development. Kotlin is made official for Android development in Google Input Output 2017. Next is advantages of Android development. The Android is an open source operating system and hence possesses a vast community for sports. Next is the design of the Android application has guidelines from Google, which becomes easier for developers to produce more intuitive user applications. Next is fragmentation gives more power to Android applications. This means the application can run two activities on a single screen. Next is releasing the Android application in the Google Play Store is easier when it is compared to other platforms. Next is disadvantages of Android development. Fragmentation provides a very intuitive approach for user experience, but it has some drawbacks where the development team needs time to adjust with the various screen size or mobile smartphones that are now available in the market and invoke the particular features in the applications. Next is the Android device might vary broadly so the testing of the application becomes more difficult. And next point is, as the development and testing consume more time, the cost of the application may increase depending on the application complexity and features. Thank you, students.